Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the platform supports local split screen and getting two controllers ready. Once done, sign into two profiles so the game recognizes two players. Launch Resident Evil 6, choose Campaign, then Cooperative mode to enable local play. Make sure both controllers respond on the title screen before proceeding. This initial setup avoids input conflicts and saves time. Once both inputs register, move directly to character and difficulty selection to lock split screen into place. Once in Campaign Coop, you'll have the leader pick chapter and difficulty. This determines enemy density and checkpoints. Then press Start or Options on the second controller to have player 2 join. You should see the HUD split immediately. Make sure to set each player's camera sensitivity and invert axes if needed so both view angles feel natural. If resolution or aspect ratio causes cramped UI, lower HUD scale or set 16:9 instead of 4:3 to improve visibility. To finish, verify both profiles can create saves and that checkpoints register for cooperative progress. This prevents lost advancement. Play a short section to confirm controls and camera behavior. If you encounter lag or frame rate drops, lower resolution, reduce post-processing, or close background apps on PC or console. If the second controller does not join, repair it, swap USB ports, or reboot the console. Often a quick reconnect fixes recognition issues and gets you back into split screen smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.